All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. For real, use that BlockFi credit card and you get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff on this channel. Today we're going to be talking about Matic. Well, Matic is basically up right now about 7%, Polygon. A lot of good stuff going on. Just got listed on Flexa a day or two ago. Then now on the Spenda app, you can actually pay with your Matic. Pretty good information. Also, next month in January, you remember the news? Amazon had 4 cryptocurrencies: Shiba Inu, AMP Token, Hulk, and Matic. There's those 4 that they selected, and 2 of them they're going to start using in January next month. Well, Matic's one of those tokens that could be getting used. So could be a lot of good, amazing, explosive stuff happening here in a month with this token. Also, we're going to go to an article about the most talked cryptocurrencies in November on Twitter. So, you want to pay attention to what everybody's talking about. We're going to talk about the most talked cryptocurrencies on Twitter in November. And then we're going to go and look at the discount buys at the end, do a price prediction on Matic, and look at the discount buys at the end and see if there's any discount buys you may be interested in. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button below. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody know about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own some cryptocurrency. Sometimes you got to buckle up because cryptocurrency could be up 10, 20, 30% one day, and the same day down 20% left and right. There's a lot of things going on with cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Matic. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, it's kind of evened itself out. In the last 7 days, the coin is up, Matic, 7.5%. But today, in the last 24 hours, it's down about 5%. So it's still up about 2% for the week, but it's trading right now at $2.11. It's the 14th cryptocurrency on the planet. Just take some of the names that's right around this. Binance is right here. Crypto.com is number 15. Polygon Matic is number 14. It's right next to Shiba Inu, right next to Avalanche, right next to Dogecoin, right next to Terra at number 10. So, obviously very popular, so high in the cryptocurrency ranking at number 14. Again, checking over here to the right, the coin is down 5% in the last 24 hours, traded at about $2.11. So here's the chart in the last 7 days. So it's actually, it kind of bounced back up. It went down all the way here to $1.76. Right now it's at $2.11, and it kind of bounced back up pretty good, everybody, all the way up here to $2.40. Again, even here at $2.28, but take a look at where it was. It was $1.76. So being at $2.11 from the last 7 days is actually not that bad if you were actually on the ride with Matic for the last 7 days. So what is Polygon Matic? Polygon, previously known as Matic Network, is the first well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. Its core component is Poly SDK, a modular, flexible framework that supports building multiple types applications. Using Polygon, one can create optimistic roll-up chains, ZK roll-up chains, standalone chains, and any other kind of infra required by developers. Poly-efficient transfer Ethereum into a full-fledged multi-chain system, aka Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is to one such as Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, with the advantages of Ethereum security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. So all kinds of good stuff going on with Matic. Let's take a look at this real quick over on the AMP token. Right here on the Flexa, an incredible strong showing across the community. Of course, we couldn't pick one. Well, take a look right here. Matic, Algorand, Chainlink, and Matic are now available on Spenda app. This is the 25 days of Flexa, but Matic is now on Spenda app. So that means when you're paying at the pump with the Sheetz gas station, or you're paying with digital cryptocurrency, Matic is now one of the things on Spenda app. That's fantastic news, everybody. Going to the Matic's actual Twitter themselves, right off the rip, we're hiring. Maybe put an application out there. Matic is hiring. They aim to transfer Ethereum into a multi-chain ecosystem with secured layer 2 and standalone chains. They'll join us and stuff, but again, they're hiring. Pretty awesome. This is kind of neat right here. Yep, Polygon 0. 1/8, it's official. Polygon welcomes MIR Protocol, a groundbreaking ZK startup in a $400 million deal. MER's amazing team develops the world's fastest ZK scaling tech we are joining hands to utilize it and build Polygon Zero. So take a look. There it is. It's getting put on here. A highly scalable Ethereum compatible ZK rollup. So if you keep looking at this video here, I mean, they keep basically putting it on here. Pretty freaking awesome stuff. Matic. I hope Matic actually is one of the cryptocurrency that Amazon picks next month in the first quarter. They got to pick 4 out of the 4. They're going to pick 2. Matic, Hulk, Shiba Inu, and AM Token are the 4. So let's go Polygon. Let's go Matic. You know, a little sneak peek over here at the website. You know, Matic, Polygon, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. Polygon is a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, scalable solutions, and Ethereum support a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So all kinds of good stuff going on here. Built for developers, by developers. You know, you hear that. Polygon combined the best of Ethereum blockchain into a full-fledged multi-chain system. Polygon solves pain points associated with blockchains like high gas fees. Nobody likes the high gas fees, everybody. Ethereum's fees, you hear about all the time, the Ethereum killer, but Ethereum's fees are a little bit high. Like, look at this, like high gas fees and slow speeds without sacrificing security. The multi-chain system and others such as Polkadot and Cosmos, Avalanche, etc., but with at least 3 major upsides. It's able to fully benefit from Ethereum's network, and it's more open and more powerful. Here you go, powerful stuff. You know, it says right here, the challenge is Ethereum's blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations. If you're taking a look at this picture right here, so here's the actual diagram. So it's not a very favorable thing looking at the chart here. Many projects are exploring Ethereum-compatible blockchains as a way to migrate these limitations, still leverage Ethereum thriving ecosystem. However, there's no special framework to build such blockchains or protocols to connect them. This is a significant development challenge and causes the ecosystem, you know, it's not good. So here's the bad part. Here's the solution. So again, looking at the chart here, you know, you obviously can see Polygon right here to the left. You see Polygon right here. You see all the check marks in the middle there. So let's see what it has to say, the solution. Now, Polygon, a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchains network. You know, there's like 5 different checks here. Check 1, one-click development of present blockchain network. You know, check 2. I don't think it's in any particular order, but these are all the important things. Growing sets of mods for development custom network, protocols for exchanging messages with Ethereum and other blockchain network, modular of optimal, secure, and services for existing blockchain networks. So over here, you know, Polygon has a solution. Obviously, there's problems in certain things. This is going to be the solution. All right, let's go ahead and talk about what's the most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in November. It's going to be pretty big here. Here are the most discussed cryptos on Twitter in November. Shiba Inu beats the biggest fair and square. So right off the rip, we know that Shiba had 16% of the shares of the total crypto mentions on Twitter in November, well ahead of the 10% position for Ethereum. So obviously Shiba Inu was tweeted a lot, and Ethereum was tweeted a lot. Solana was right there. Bitcoin took the 3rd spot and the 4th spot respectively. Dogecoin was right there, could only muster a 5th position. So Shiba, Ethereum, Bitcoin took 3rd and 4th. Other coins rounding up the top 10. Dogecoin Mars obviously was right there getting tweeted about. And everybody hears about Dogecoin. We talk about Dogecoin a lot. Polkadot was in there. Cardano was in there. Elon Musk, Binance Coin was in there. So here's the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter. Here we go. Number 1 is Shiba Inu, 16%. Number 2 is Ethereum with 10%. Solana was number 3 at 8.3%. Bitcoin was number 4 at 6.7%. Dogecoin was talked about the 5th most with 3.7%. SafeMoon, wow, haven't heard them in a while. SafeMoon was still, so that, you know, you may want to put SafeMoon on your radar, was number 6 at 3.17. Dogecoin Mars, Elon was at number 7. BNB was at number 8. Cardano, ADA was at number 9. Polkadot was number 10. XRP was number 11. Avalanche was number 12. PancakeSwap was 1%. And then we're going to go through the whole 20 here. Oh, look at Matic's number 20. I'm talking about Matic today. FTM is at 1%. Decentraland is at 1.1%. The Sandbox is at 1%. Algorand's at 1%. Cardano is at 1%. And number 20 is Matic. So here you go, everybody. There's your top 20. Number 1 coin talked about, Shiba Inu. and a little bit of Ethereum. So give us your thoughts there. So that list of 20, you may want to go back, pause it, write it all down, and then maybe start tracking all 20 of those coins, because if a lot of people are talking about them, there's going to be a lot of movement in those coins. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All our information is for educational purposes only. Let's head back to Matic and do a little price prediction of what we think it's going to do. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Polygon, again, number 14, up 7%. What's our price prediction? This coin is being traded at $2.11. You know, in May, it was at $2.45. I think this token can go back up to $2.50 by the end of the first quarter. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but there's a lot of positive stuff, a lot of things going on. Again, if Amazon picks to 2 and Matic happens to be one of the 2, who are they? Shiba Inu, AM Token, Matic, and Hulk. Those 4 tokens, 2 of them are going to be picked by Amazon in the next quarter of next year. Matic could be it. So there could be some explosive stuff going on. But again, all our information is for educational purposes only. All right, looking at some discount buys real quick. You know, Solana's down 17% in the last 7 days. You may want to put that on your radar. Buying the dip, discount buys. You know, VeChain at number 31 is down about 11%. Take a look at that. Elron is down 17% at number 34. Take a look at that. Thorchain is still down 20%, 19% at number 67. We're going to stay in the top 100. Cardano is still down 22% at number 72. Take a look at that. And with that, write them all down. Again, this is a bonus video on Saturday. We wanted to basically bring you this bonus one on Matic. First time we're doing a Matic video, so we were going to kind of weave it in. I think there's some good, hot, juicy stuff that's going to be coming up in the first quarter of next year. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, share this with your friends. We want everybody to know about cryptocurrency. Click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we bring you a video every single day around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays around 3 to 4 o'clock. Bonus videos are usually around 7. This is a bonus video, so hey everybody, have a fantastic Saturday.